Tanya Corder, principal at North Hardin High School, and tonight we're at our open house where we have a great crowd of all of our students. We're roughly supposed to have about 1,700 students this year, so we are up in enrollment. We have approximately 15 new staff members as well. Many of them come from out of state and have taught either out of state or out of the country, so I'm really excited about that. One new class we're offering this year that's different is, well, actually two. We have a school store and we have Japanese this year in addition to the German and the Spanish. So we can't wait to see everybody on Thursday as those buses roll in and start off the 1920 school year. Our hashtag for the school year, which is our theme, is hashtag Onward Trojans.
Hello, I'm Cheyenne Morton from Hardin County Teen Court, and I invite all of you to come to our August 22nd open house for Teen Court. We meet every Thursday at the beginning of the school year for 6 weeks of training, and then after that it's every other Thursday. Come out and enjoy the fun.
Hello, my name is Dan Mahone. I'm assistant principal at North Hardin High School, and I would like to thank you for attending our open house.
My name is Jackie Bramblett, and I'm with Hardin County Child Nutrition at North Hardin High School. You can go on the website. We offer free breakfast, free and reduced lunch, and full price is $270. You can go on the Hardin County website.
You would go to the Hardin County School webpage. Click on there. Go to the parent tab. Scroll down to the free and reduced lunch application. And then just begin the application process. Once you accept all the terms.
We also have where they can set up an account on My Payments Plus, and that is not on the website. You have to go on there and type in My Payments Plus.
You'll have to create an account with your student ID number. Same thing. You're going to go to the Hardin County School webpage. Meal planner. You're going to type in your school of choice. You're going to select the menu. Say they want to do the breakfast. I'll show you the breakfast. Say a student has an allergy to certain things, the parent can go here first after they accept the terms of agreement. They go over here on the side where it says allergens and they click on what the child is allergic to, and then it'll start crossing it out on the menu.
Hi, I'm Rhonda Fleming. I'm the school nutrition manager at North Hardin High School, and we're looking forward to a great year.
Hi, I'm Elisa DiGiovanni, and I am the Service Unit Manager for Girl Scouts here in North Hardin, and I'm here to share the Girl Scouting experience with high schoolers because we scout from kindergarten all the way through 12th grade, and the adventure does not end in brownies. We have scholarship opportunities and a chance for you to be a leader, to reach out and touch your world in a way that only girls have the power to do. We are an exclusive girl organization, girl-led, girl-funded, and girl-powered. So we want you to come out and be a Girl Scout, whether you tried it in 2nd grade and said, oh, maybe not for me. It's different now. What you want to do is what we do. So come out and be a Girl Scout.
Hi, my name's Nevaeh Marshall, and this is Mod Squad. It's a teen outreach kind of ministry, and we have an upcoming camp coming up on
August 30th. My name is Quinshawn. How are you doing? We have an upcoming camp on August 30th where we'll be playing basketball, football, volleyball. It is a fun. You can contact us. We mentor and tutor other teams, sport teams by teams.
Middle schoolers and high schoolers.
Hi, my name is Tammy Delaney. I'm with Lincoln Trail Behavioral Hospital, and I'm here at the open house here at North Hardin just to share some information about inpatient and outpatient services at our hospital.
Hi, my name's Tabitha, and this is Rahuda. We're here with Silverleaf. I'm a volunteer advocate, and she works with them full time. We are sexual assault advocates, so we're here with some information on online safety, some information about Silverleaf, and then some different things that we hand out from our organization. We also have a poker run on the 28th to raise money, so if you're interested in poker, you should sign up for it.
Hi, I'm Lisa Broach, and I'm with Radcliffe McDonald's. We're here tonight. We're giving out information for our students if they are looking for a job. We start hiring at 16 years old. We do good grade incentives for the high schoolers and scholarship assistance when they go to college.
Hello, I'm Brenda Skillman. I'm the founder and vice president of Brother to Brother Academy. We're here, and what we do is we mentor children and boys from the 5th through the 12th grade. We want them to be all they can be. We help them to reach their potential. We teach them life skills. We concentrate on helping them with language arts and mathematics. We also introduce them to the college setting. We bring people in with who are professionals to show them how to be successful in life. We help them to plan their life and help them to be all that they can be. We teach them chess. We have a chess program where it helps to expand their mind and their thinking. We have won a governor's citation and several awards for our program. So far, all of the students who have continued with our program, when they graduate, they've either graduated going to college or they have continued their education in the military. So we're real proud of it. So if you have any boys from the 5th to the 12th grade, we want them. We will be having an interest meeting where they can sign up on September the 26th at the B.T. Bishop Christian Life Center at 105 Bishop Lane here in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. We want your boys to make them all that they can be.
All right, my name is Terrence Miles. I'm the Vice President of Alpha Omega Sigma here at Fort Knox. And what we do is a monthly mentorship program here at North Hardin. And what we try and do is get young men to come in and understand that, hey, there's life after high school. All right, we try and help them prepare for college. We try and help them prepare for the military. We try and help them prepare for the real world. And what we try and do is teach a lot of life skills. And that's basically what we do for an hour and 15 minutes, one Wednesday a month, for all the young men that sign up.
Hi, my name is Monica Patton Neal, and I am a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated. I'm from the local chapter here of Nu Beta Zeta. This is our fourth year coming into North Hardin, where we started a mentorship program for the young ladies here. There are a couple of areas that we cover with those young ladies: women empowerment, young women empowerment, the importance of self-esteem, building self-esteem. We talk about college applications and that process for our ladies who are seniors this year. And it is our desire to build, greater sisterhood among those young ladies and to instill the importance of a good education.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Miller, a stand-in for Miss Hall with the Youth Service Center. So the Youth Service Center just exists to help relieve barriers that could interfere with learning by providing additional support and resources. So that could be links to jobs, support with Christmas, help getting counseling. So all kinds of just resources just to make students' lives better.
Hi, my name is Candace from Devers Middle School and Teen Center. We are an after-school program, youth center. We have special events like walk-in, dances, splash bashes, and special field trips to Kings Island. Here's our special events calendar.
Hi everybody, Cammie Smallwood here at the North Hardin High School open house. Once again, school's getting ready to start. What I'm here doing tonight is we're giving out cards.
The last name?
With everybody's address and bunch of information, and if they can't find it, then I go to the computer and I type in their address and find them that way. Now, the first couple of weeks, parents and students, please be patient with the bus drivers because we have a lot of new stops that we have to learn, a lot of new people, and we want to get you guys there and home as safely as possible. So, and we will do the best that we can the first couple of weeks. Just give us that, and then after that, it'll go as smooth as possible.
Hi, my name is Julie Latham, and I am selling the School Spirit student shirts and to support the PTO and show your Trojan pride. Thank you for joining us at our open house tonight at North Hardin. We're looking forward to a great school year.
is Doyle from North Hardin High School, and welcome to our Trojan Bash.
Hi, I'm Vijay Bramlett, and I'm with Y Club, and there's two separate conferences, CUNA and KYA. CUNA is basically a mock UN, and then KYA is a mock state government where you write bills, and then CUNA you talk about like cultural diversity. If you want to be into like government and want to work on the world and stuff, it gives you real experience. And basically you get to work with other teams throughout the state who are on the same level as you to talk about local, state, and national issues.
Hi, I'm the president at North Hardin for the Beta Club. We are a club that does a lot of service projects in the community, and we compete statewide and nationally in different competitions at convention. We have won national titles in art and service learning.
I'm Bailey Hess. I'm president of the North Hardin chapter of FCCLA, Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America. We're based off of FCS classes, which is Family Consumer Sciences, and we have to do with culinary, life skills, relationships, parenting, anything like that. We help build bonds, we help with leadership, and we help people make friends. We compete to get you ready for college, and we help you with public speaking, and it's really fun, and we do community service, and it's just a really good thing to get you ready for your future and to help you make friends and to help you move into high school a little bit more.
I'm Joey. I'm a part of North Hardin's lacrosse team, and we have our table set out here. Lacrosse is a spring sport. We practice on Fort Knox, but we play it all around in like Lexington and all that.
Hi, I'm Adrienne Kleinjohn. I teach at North Middle School. I am now the assistant coach for the girls cross country team. I'm excited to be here. We need a lot of young runners to come out, and we're excited about our season.
I'm Kedrick, and I'm the captain cross country team. Our first meet is Run for the Gold, and it's going to be a great season.
Hi, my name is Lacey Knowles. I'm the vice president of the North Hardin High School Drama Club, and on behalf of the Drama Club, I would like to invite everyone to come out to a performance at the PAC this February to see Romeo, You Idiot.
Hi, I'm Allie Cape.
Hi, I'm Jamie Everidge.
And we coach the North Hardin cheerleading team, so we're out here tonight supporting our students and supporting our team as well. We're selling t-shirts as a fundraiser this evening.
We'd love to invite all of our young future Trojans out to join us for the very first Kids Clinic of the year. Kids Clinic is September 5th, and then you get to come out and cheer the big first home football game on September 6th. Look for information on the North Hardin Cheer Facebook page and sign up. We'd love to have you.
Go Trojans!
I'm Isaiah Beasley, and I'm representing North Hardin's Pep Club, and I want everybody out here to come and join North Hardin Spirit. Go Trojans!
We got first home game is September 6th against Louisville Ballard at 7:30. Please come out and join us for a wonderful night.
Thanks for coming to our Trojan Bash.